Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking these rag & bone sunglasses model RNB1045 in color code 6FQ90. The color of the frame is black. On its temples are protected sleeves to make sure the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a cat eye shape. The temples are black. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other side of the temple. On its temple tip, you'll find the rag & bone logo engraved. You'll also find the rag & bone logo engraved on its top left lens. Onto the right temple is the rag & bone logo in gold. And onto the left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 57 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a rag & bone case, a rag & bone dust bag, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Safilo. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.